Hi, I'm John with Grey Duck Dent Repair of Minnesota, and today I'm going to show you how to take a photo of your dent in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Start with a clean panel. Step 2. Don't stand directly in front of the dent. Move off to the side at about a 45-degree angle. Step 3. Find a straight line in the reflection and center the dent on that, just like the downspout in this house. Step 4. Make sure you are far enough away so we can see where the dent is on the panel. So there you have it. Those are the 4 easy steps of how to take a great photo of your dent. If you'd like to find out more about Grey Duck Dent Repair of Minnesota, you can find us on the web at greyduckdent.com, across social media at greyduckdent, and give us a call or text at 651-492-DENT.